Multiple incidences of injuries are reported every year at various workplaces, majorly at the construction sites and manufacturing facilities. The main reasons noticed for these types of injuries are the lack of availability of automated equipment. In addition to this, the workers who got injured were either unaware about the safety gears or were too careless to use them while working. These accidents could lead to serious consequences. Workers might get disabled, making him or her unable to work anymore. In a severe case, it might lead to death of the worker. In such situations, employers are held liable for the inadequate measures taken for the workers' safety, which can attract hefty penalty or imprisonment. Such accidents can be avoided by training the workers about the importance of safety gears and personal protection equipment at the workplace. It is also very important to prepare guidelines about the do's and don'ts with clear instructions to follow while carrying heavy loads or shifting material from one place to the other. The supervisors should also be trained to keep a close watch in their respective site and be vigilant to stop any accidents even before it may occur. Organize safety drills on regular interval of quarterly, half-yearly, or on a null basis. You can get in touch with our team at SincX for creating customized training modules as well as get similar animated videos for better explanation of the causes of injuries and safety measures to be taken to avoid them.